Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will see how to make a GPS tracking solution with the help of Arduino. So let's start from the installation of softwares. So the step 1 is about the installation of software. So first of all, what we will do, we will install the software for Arduino. So the step 1 is to install the Arduino software. So let me start with it and you can see all the steps clearly. So let us start from the first step. So we will go to our Google Chrome, and in the Chrome tab you will write Arduino, and then click on the software. There it is written software. So it will open a page and you have to go towards the download option, and in the download option you will click on Windows 7 and newer versions. So whenever you click it, it will show you this box. You have to click on just download button. So the download has been started, you can see at the bottom. So in the meantime we will go for the installation of the next part or the next software. The next step is to install the CH340 driver, which will help you to run the Chinese versions of Arduino. So we have purchased the Arduino of dark blue color, which is SMD. So what we will do, we will copy this link, and you can find this link on my GitHub or on the written tutorial. So we will paste this link here. In the meantime, the Arduino is already in the process of installation, and we will go towards the installation of CH340 driver. So let us open this link. This is the second part of our installation and it is opening. So we will go towards this page, and in this page you will go towards this Windows 7 or 10. Don't go towards the update version, go towards this line and you can click on the download button. Okay, so in the heading of Windows 7 /10 you will click on the download button. You can see it has been started, and it has a very small size of 238 KB. So we will open this installation. It is the executable file. So you can click and it will directly start the process of installation. We will click on yes, and first of all we will uninstall if there is any older versions available. So after clicking on the uninstall button, I will install the new and updated version. So if you don't have any version of CH340, you don't need to uninstall. So I am going to install it right now. I have clicked on the install button and the installation has been started. Yes, I want to overwrite if there is any file available. So it is successfully installed. So the second step is completed. The first step is still in the process. The first step is the installation of Arduino software. What is the third step? The third step is to install the tiny GPS++ library. So we have to add this library in the Arduino software. So we have to wait for the Arduino to get completed. In the meantime, I will go towards the link and copy this, and after copying this link I will open it in the new tab. We will download this tiny GPS library, and after downloading it we will wait for the Arduino software, which is here in the bottom, to get installed. So I am clicking on the green button and I will click on download zip. Okay, so this is the third step. So the third step is connected with the first one. It is also very small. You can see the tiny GPS library is already installed here, and it goes automatically towards my downloads folder. So let me check my downloads folder. Here it is, the tiny GPS library. So I am waiting for this step, the first step, the step of Arduino software to get completed. Then the last step is to add this tiny GPS plus library in the Arduino software. So let us hope that the installation of this Arduino software will get completed. So we will wait for it. Now we can notice at the bottom that the software of Arduino has been installed. So let me open it. This is also the executable file, and it will start the setup automatically. So it is opening. Now we will click on the yes button and click on I agree button. Then we will click on next, and it is showing us the path, the program files. It is installed in program files, so we will go for program files. Okay, I am not going to change the path. So you can see the setup has been started, and after completing the Arduino setup we will use the installed library. As you can see in the step 3, we have installed the library of Tiny GPS Plus by using this green button, and it is stored in the downloads folder. So we will use this Tiny GPS Plus library with the Arduino software. So the Arduino is in the process of installation. We have already installed the CH340 driver as well. So let us wait for the installation of Arduino. So you can see that the setup of Arduino has been completed, and I will now press on the close button, and now we will move towards the further steps. So Arduino has been completed. You can see there is an Arduino icon on your desktop. You can also search Arduino here in the start, you will find it. Now I am going on to the desktop and clicking on the Arduino button. So by clicking on this Arduino icon, you can see that the Arduino is opening right now in my PC. Now this is the Arduino IDE. I will go towards the new file and close this. You can see the environment of Arduino. The first step I want to do is to add the already installed GPS library, which we have installed using this link, which is present in my downloads folder. I will add this zip file into my Arduino IDE. So I will go towards the third button, which is the sketch, and go towards the include library, and I will click on this option, add .zip library. So through this you can add any library into your Arduino. I will go towards this downloads folder, and you can find here is my already downloaded library in the zip format. So what I am doing, I am just clicking on it, and after clicking on this library I am pressing the open button. So by doing this, the library has been added, and it is saying that already the library already exists, means I have pre-installed this library. If we want to check whether this library is available or not, we will again go towards the sketch button, move towards the include library option, and I will check whether there is any Tiny GPS Plus library available. You can see here it is, the Tiny GPS plus library available. If you have pre-installed library, then you can leave this option, but most of the time you have to install this library. Now the software part of our project is completely ready. Now we are able to move towards the hardware part. Before moving, I want to show you the steps again. First of all, we have installed the Arduino software, then we have installed the driver, the USB port driver for local or Chinese Arduino. Then the third step wants to install the GPS library. GPS library is Tiny GPS Plus library. We have downloaded the zip icon. through this link, and after downloading the zip icon I have added the library by using the include library option in Arduino, and the library will be installed. And you have to follow all these three steps for making up the software. That's all for this video. We will move towards the hardware part in the next session. Thank you.